probably shouldn't start my video like this, okay? Wouldn't want you guys to like unsubscribe because I'm that ugly, but this is me. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliana. I do makeup. You should subscribe. We're trying to reach 500 by the end of December. That would mean the most to me. I love how the YouTuber is already starting to crawl up my throat. Yeah, but please give this video a like because I moved all of my shit to the living room. My makeup, my ring light, my whole setup, because I wanted to film by the Christmas tree right here. I can't film by the Christmas tree. It's cool or whatever. I look like a 4-year-old, but like, sis, you're just gonna have to deal. Today I have a different type. These shits are fucking crooked. I'm going to film some type of brown eyeshadow look. I wanted this to be like a holiday look at first, and then I was like I don't really know what's gonna happen yet. One of two things is gonna happen. It's gonna end up being like a grungy 90s look, or it's gonna end up being like a holiday look. So we just gonna have to, you know, just like start doing shit, start putting stuff on and seeing what the frick goes down. Okay, I don't have clean brushes, but I do think that having them would be like a great idea. I'm gonna go in with Anastasia. Hello, sisters. We haven't seen her in a minute, and I'm gonna go in with Relgar. This is not Relgar. I did this in my last video. This is Cypress Umber. Not in my last video, in like a video I filmed like fucking months ago. I'm just gonna clean my brushes off on my jeans, matter of fact. And then just start planting. Oh, interesting. I'm just gonna start, what's it called? Packing. That's the word. Packing her right here. Okay, now that you look like you got punched in the eye, let's do some blending. I'm gonna take these two shades. I'm really just eyeballing it. I don't really yeah, I'm just gonna try to blend this, okay? It looks like there's a shade missing, so I'm gonna go in with this one and kind of just put it right in between those two shades. Can we just talk about the fact that I almost had a freaking heart attack? I was sitting here chilling in my kitchen or whatever, getting some agua. I heard some dude outside of the door, and I just kind of like paused, and I was like, nah, I'm tripping. Like, I didn't really hear anyone. Like, I'm tripping. And so I continued to go get my water, go fetch my little drinkity drink, whatever the fuck. The door handle just went boom, boom. And I was like, someone trying to break in this house right now? And I couldn't find my phone for the life of me. Like, I was like, oh my god, where's my phone? Where's my phone? It wasn't in my hands. It wasn't anywhere in sight. And I was like, Dominic, give me your phone right now. And Dominic's my little brother. He was like, why? And I was like, I think someone's trying to break in this motherfucking house. And I grabbed a big old knife. I dialed 911. I didn't call, but I dialed it. Because, you know, better safe than sorry, you know? And then, my brother went and looked outside the window. Which he's 10, by the way. And he was like, oh my god, Juliana, they were putting a freaking little door paper. You know those papers that they put, like, they stick it in your gate? Or whatever. They were putting one of those on the doorknob. And I was like, damn, sis. Damn near gave me a heart attack. Why you gotta do it all aggressive like that for? Golly. Got some damn issues is what he has. Like, I had a whole ass panic attack. And now I'm gonna take this, like, more toned down yellow. And then B, which is the pop in yellow, the hi, we're here and we're not here to play. And I'm gonna put that right there on. Oh god. Now I'm just gonna touch up Cypress Umber. Oh yeah, guys, I don't know how many times I'm gonna be able to upload this week. I'm sorry, I'm trying, but things just got really serious in school, okay? Things just got really really deep, really serious. I'm a senior, so I need to keep my head in the game. I take my ACT this weekend, but I'm still gonna try to film after the ACT. So I'm trying, but videos right now are gonna be like, I don't really know yet. I'm gonna try to do one video a week for the next like 2 weeks, meaning this week and next week. And then after that, it's gonna be like 3 videos a week if I can, just because I want to give back to you guys, so that you don't miss those 3 videos a week thing and miss my uploads for the next 2 weeks. Y'all should click the bell, you know, get notified every time I post. It's a win-win situation. And once I've deepened up the crease, I'm gonna half cut it off camera. I will be right back to finish the look. Okay. Bruh. Sis really did that. Okay. I don't know if I should go in with this shade right there, or if I should just do a matte. Pause real quick, sisters. Pause. Let's take a quick pause. First things first, I'll eat it. No, first I'm gonna go in with this white and some of this yellow, because I don't got a nude shade up in here. I don't want it to be white, but I don't want to be yellow. So I'm gonna mix them, pack them, and then figure out what I'm doing, and then I'll come back to the lid shade if I need to, if I want to, unless I don't want to, and unless I want to keep it like this. Now I'm gonna take one of these brushes, and then I'm gonna take this really pretty brown shade. Okay, you can't even see it that much. And then I'm gonna feather that in. Hello, pigment, coming out to play. Don't be shy. And then I'm gonna take the even deeper brown. Can you even see this shit? Right here. And I'm gonna focus that on the outer corner. And I'm gonna take a minute and a chin and pin it, smidget of cypress, and put that right there. You know what? I'm gonna be basic and I'm gonna leave it like that. I'll be right back with the eyelashes on so we can do the face together. Yeah. And I'm gonna also try to like recenter these pins because they're honestly getting really fucking irritating. So okay, we got the eyes mainly done, so now I'm gonna do the face. I'm gonna start off with some of the Master Prime Primer by Maybillene. For foundation, I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Pro Glow mixed with some of the Too Faced Born This Way. I'm gonna take a little bit of this MAC Fix Plus. Oh, I got my eyeball. And I'm just gonna blend that with my really effed up sponge. For concealer, I'm gonna mix some of the Makeup Revolution and Fit Me Concealer by Maybillene. I forgot that I owned this concealer, haha. I like it, but like the undertone is a little off. Now I'm just gonna set all of this with the Cody Airspun Loose Powder. While that's baking, I'm just gonna bring some life back into my face, mixing the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and the Tarte Hotel Heiress Bronzer. Then I'm just gonna lightly dust off all of the extra loose powder. For the lower lash line, I'm just going to blend these two browns together. I know I look crazy right now, but trust the process, sis, trust the process. I'm just gonna spritz my face with more of this MAC Prep and Prime Spray. Ooh, it's in my mouth, queens. And then I'm gonna blend or just bounce that into the skin with the booty of this blender. For highlight, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is like this highlight. I don't know if this is a highlighter or a shadow. I guess it's a shadow, but I use it as a highlighter all the time now. And it is so good. I'm gonna hit the inner corner as well. I'm gonna take a clean brush and kind of just blur out those harsh lines. I can even take a little bit of raw sienna and burnt orange, like a small bit, and just run that on the lower lash line. The door is open because I'm letting my dog out. Because this is a really smoky, sultry look, I'm bringing it down really low. I look insane. It's always fun. Now I'm gonna quickly add some mascara. This is just the Revlon Lash Potion mascara. For the final step, I'm just gonna add on this chocolate brown lip. This is the NYX Liquid Suede. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, I do this every outro. I'm gonna try to keep my cool. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. And if I can't see you later on the week, I will definitely see you early next week. Anyways, I gotta go. I love you guys.